No faith. Y'all have no faith. I'm gonna finish this fucking game, dude. Just you watch. Yep. Get burnt. On it. Synthwave is both a genre and a type of remix, technically. Ooh. I like it. So I think synthwave was like originally, like, if you look up synthwave, that you're gonna get a lot of 80s music, right? But if you look up synthwave remix type music, you're gonna get a lot of stuff like this. We. Oh, this song's a banger, dude. I love Polyphia. Oh my god, you're scaring me. You're scaring me, Rockman. Rockman. She waves on my synth till I 80s. 80s nuts. Got him. Okay. Ooh. I'm having so much fun. Ooh. Definitely not going insane. Insane? I hardly know her. Oh. The way the arms move is actually so silly. Bird Beach, welcome in. Hi, how are you? How doing? How you doing? I'm doing great. Oh, I'm so sorry I missed your first message. My wife and I's first date was rock climbing because figured if it was a bust, I'd still get a workout. Dude, that's baller. That's a baller first date. Oh my god. Hey.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
House, you're scaring me. House is gonna need to fish after this. I think so too. Getting paid to suffer. Yippee! Yeah, I kind of feel like a clown right now after this, after the couple hours of this game. Dude, thank you for the biddies. I appreciate you. Them some big emotes, dude. Oh. Ah. Oh. Why big emote? Gigantified! I think it's like, what, 10, 15 bits? Something like that? Why you small? You can gigantify an emote? It doesn't have to be specific emotes either. It could be any emote. Oh, this song is so good, dude. Y'all know Fish in a Birdcage? Y'all fuck with Fish in a Birdcage, dude? Birdcage. Got it. It's not quite there. Woo! Close one. Is that blood? Whoa, 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 hold up. That's fucking blood, dude. Is that mine? Or am I not the first one to make this trek? Oh! No, 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 please, please, please. Yeah! Okay. Oh, okay. Whew. Okay, we're back in a good spot. Okay. Most improved. Yes. You are most improved. World outside. Oh my god. Chill, bro. Chill. Let me know you're chill. Wait. If you hang on to the bushes, though, like the water doesn't fuck with you. Oh. I don't trust this shit, bro. Oh my god! Ah! Hit! Oh my... That's fine. I'm okay with this. Just don't send me back to the beginning again. I don't know if my heart can handle that. Wait. No. Yes. Good boy. Actually, no. Not good boy. That didn't go so well for me last time. Woo. Okay, we got some lo-fi. We're fucking with some lo-fi. Ah! Oh no, I had it. I had it in my...